Okay, let's do a 180 here. So EC-400. Nothing new per se on this EC-400, other than we do have a new camera mount system that we're working on. So if you look above
Excuse me,
the
I'm going to duck in here real quick, guys. Oh,
so
yeah.
we actually have a camera that we're offering that can be mounted in the machine, and what's nice is you can mount it wherever you need, but now be able to see that hard to see part of the machine tool. Maybe it's on the back side, and if you come over here, Frank, you can see there's the camera up in the top.
Right.
It looks like they're gone fairly. So this one, running one of the tombstones we have available from the Haas sales, HaasTooling.com. This is one of the tombstones that we offer now, loaded up with some of the Kurt work holding vices, the dual station vices.
That's awesome.
But we also worked with Kurt and developed this new tombstone that we have over there. So we've been working with Kurt very closely, great partner to have, and they've come up with this integrated tombstone system where the vices are actually built into the tombstone riser, which means that the weight of this unit is less, still incredibly stiff, so you can load more parts, so you can maximize that pallet capacity.
Nice.
One question we did have was, is the camera monitor system standard? It's standard on some of the larger, hard, how would you describe it? Machines with visibility problems, like the double column machine where you need to see on the back side of the part. It's standard on that. Standard on VRs where you need to see the parts that are a bit more complicated, but we'll make it optional on other machines.
Okay, cool.
That's part of what we're looking for is feedback and what do people think of those camera systems. So
Yeah, exactly.
if you got the comments, let us know, drop us emails, or reach out to your local Haas factory outlet.
And those comments always do make it back to the engineers.
Oh, they absolutely do. That's one of the biggest places that we look for feedback on the machines is the customers.
Yep.
That's where most of these designs come from, is what do you guys need?